Steve's got a jar of peanut butter right there. Puddy's favorite thing ever. So let's see how long it takes her to smell or recognize the sounds. Oh, she smells it. How predictable is Puddy? Let's see. One minute and 19 seconds, the whole process. And she even sighed. You're so cute, you little weirdo. You're adorable. You're so cute. You want some peanut butter? Oh. Seriously, you're the cutest dog in the whole world. Look at your cute face.
I like when she goes and runs away with that, but it might not be happening right now.
After the specs are gone, it
Do you
might.
hear that noise?
It's the door still.
Oh,
Must be windy. You know what that means.
just trying to picture what kind of vehicle is making that sound. All right.